Put your head down and go.
Alright, good morning everybody. It is 7:37 and I'm on my way to Augusta for a quick 3-day trip. It's my RDO this week, Friday, today. And I thought I would run down because the weather is looking spicko. The winds are good, the winds are light, the winds are the right direction. It swells up a bit, but we'll see what happens when we get there. So I just did a bit of a tour, had a look at the beaches. They don't actually look too bad after the weather, but I've just been in for a surf, small but fun. I'm knackered now, and fairly long ride. So, but it was small, you know me, my waves. But now I've got out now. I'm just going to go check in now and set up camp. Some whales. Here we are looking for someone to go fishing, and oh, there's heaps of whales. Look at them all. Just out the front here. Come to go fishing, I'm trying to find somewhere that's not too weeded out. Everywhere I've looked, a bit too much weed, so just going to go for a wander down here. I've actually never been here before, so let's see what we can find. And then if this is not a go, I'm going to head back to the river mouth and we'll go for a walk. Hey, how you loving my frizzy hair? Pretty shocking today. I watched it this morning. Really shocking. Anyway, we're going to go down here and have a look. So yeah, we're at the river mouth. And just a few whiting here this morning when I was surfing, so we'll just see what happens, eh? Tide's going out. So it's probably not ideal, but it's a beautiful evening though. What a beautiful day. I think tomorrow is going to be absolutely magic. It's very low wind still. I'm going to go kayak tomorrow and probably see how close I can get to the whales, safely that is, and within the rules. And we'll see how we go. I've done highly unsuccessful, but it was kind of a half-hearted attempt anyway, so yeah, failure anyway. So I was getting lots of bites though, and the bait was disappearing, so there was something there, but I think the current was just too strong and a lot of weed floating and getting caught up every cast, so yeah, done with that. So I'm going to go home now and eat and prep for tomorrow. Big day tomorrow, so I want to be prepared and get the most out of tomorrow. Yeah, possibly look at 3 sessions tomorrow. So see how we go. See how my energy holds up. All right, probably good night for now, and we will see in the morning. Mucked about this morning, all morning, Just it was cold, super cold, and there's this magical sea mist, but it's still there at about 9 o'clock, so pretty cool. But here we go, we're launching from the marina today. This is somewhere I've not been before, but I have fished land-based around here, done very well. And I've always noticed that there's been some sand patches out of casting range. So, I'm going to give it a crack. And anyway, let's get baited up and get in there. Motivation is low. I think it's because my brain's still cold, but I'm sure I'll warm up to it. Let's get in there. Oh, yep, go on. I don't know what it is. Oh, what is it? A double header of wrasse. I don't know, a wrasse. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, I got a fish. I think it's a whiting. Feels like a whiting. It's not real big, but it's a fish. What have we got? Oh, it's a good sandy. Look at that sandy. That's a nice sandy, that one. Ah, oh, whoop, dropped him, but he's in the kayak. You beauty. Nice sandy. Alright, fish on. What do we got? Oh, a little heather. Oh, there we go, there's some good bait. Just drop the bait there. Little heather. Like a little heather. There's a good little whole bait. See him? Got him. Another little one. Not sure what it is. Let's have a look. Another little heather. Look at him. He's a tiny little one. Well, there's a couple of good baits anyway we've got. For later on. I am planning to go to the rocks later. We'll see what happens. Alright, got one here. I reckon feels like a wrasse. Yep, that's a wrasse. Throw this one back. Alright, I've got something good here. I don't think it's a wrasse. Got a bit of weight, got a bit of pull. What is it? I'm thinking it's a kg. It's a skippy. Is it a skippy? Oh no. It's a little snap. Little snap. A bit small. So he'll be going back, but man, that was fun. Let's see if we can get a hold of him. Little snap. You can see the beautiful fish. Got something else here. Doesn't feel bad again. I think it might be maybe another snapper. Let's have a look. Yep, there's another one. Alright, we've got another one. Not sure if this is a snapper, this one. This is different. This could be my whiting. Oh no, it's a little snapper. A little snapper. About the same size. There we go. This swell is bigger than yesterday around here. 100%. Right, got something here. What do we got? Oh, goatfish. Guilty. So I'm just going to go fish. The camera just stopped. I don't know why, but pretty little fish they are. Yeah. Oh, here we are, fishing, lines in, got a bait on that, got a whole whiting, got my burley in, and I've just realised my other rod has had a bit of a whoopsie, so I'm probably not sure if I'm going to use that, but I'll think about it. If I cast it, the top might come off. Which is probably not good here at the rocks, but let's sit and wait now. Big fish. Alright, what a beautiful day. It's actually quite warm, quite too warm. So I managed to get rod number 2 in without losing the top. It's in the water. Rod number 1's still sitting there. I have seen a whole bunch of herring hit the surface. They must be attacking the burley. So note to self: bring a smaller rod next time. On here, could be on. We're going to put this up here. Alright, so fish not on. Certainly something having a nibble though. Brought it in, boat was gone. Reloaded up with another half a wrasse from this morning, and brought this one in as well. Got a whole herring on there. I've refreshed the burley, so we'll give it another 45 maybe. Or maybe just after 5, and we'll call it a day. It's pretty warm out here, I really must say. Super warm. Magic day. Magic winter's day. Come on. Take it. Take it. Just one Dewey. I'll be happy with that. One Dewey. I'm not asking for much, universe. Still waiting. How good's the sunset going to be tonight? It is going to be a ripper. The colours have already started. Come on, Joey. Get on there, big Joey. Come on. Take the damn bait. Yep, there's something on there. Got a little bit of weight. Yes, it's pumping. Oh, there it is down there. What is it? What is it? Oh, you're kidding me. What is it? I think it's a pike. Yeah, it's a big pike. Oh, now I'm caught down here. Oh. Thought I had something real good then. There we go. Oh! It got off. So I just caught one of these. Don't know what it is. Might let it go, I think. Look at that sunset. It's gonna be a ripper. Alright, that's it. We're done. We're out of bait. The squid went on and the fish just were attracted to that. They just went pretty much straight away. So other than that pike that I got, which was, you know, it's probably 60 centimetres or so, which would have been good bait, zero, nothing. So yeah, not a very productive day today, but look, it's been a beautiful day, and look at that. Look at that out there, seriously. But anyway, we're going to go home and do what I said before. I'm not going to go over it again. That's it probably for day 2. Day 3 tomorrow is looking like a Mintox day again. 2 sessions of fishing, that's my plan. Unless I break a leg or something. And hopefully some fish. So I want to take something home. So anyway, I will leave it for now and we'll see you tomorrow. So here's my dinner. I've got some chips, crab stick, bit of not green stuff, colourful stuff, leftover egg from the batter, the crumbing, and some beautiful goat fish, and some whiting in there. And I got these potato scallops. They must be the best tasting potato scallops I've had in a long time. It's actually potato in there. Thin slice of potato, delicious. That is great. Well done. There we go. Oh, that's a bit dirty. Oh, it's still very dirty. Might be a bit light. Anyway, well done. Well done, Augusta fish and chips.
Yeah.